Hi Capricorn, this is your career reading for the month of July. I have taken out the cards that have come out for you while I was divinating regarding your livelihood, regarding your life purpose, regarding your money earning, your businesses, your studies. So whatever goal you have to maintain your livelihood, I am going to talk about that. Before I start the tarot reading, which is having a commentary on your energy situation in work, I'm going to read out a card from the Psychic Tarot Oracle deck, which is talking about a business tip or information that it's wanting to tell you. The card that has come out for you is number 3. It is recognition and reward card. So recognition and reward is a lucky card. It is saying a reward for a job well done is what this card represents. It is time of recognition for a completed project. Something will be completed with hard work, skill, expertise and craftsmanship. Pat yourself on the back because you deserve it. This card also comes forth to represent a family or a group or a community behind you who are also responsible for this achievement. Accept the help that's being offered by them. More possibilities are in the works, so be sure to lay a solid foundation from your past achievements, and this will help you to ready for the next opportunity, to be ready for the next opportunity. In addition, this card is a reminder to take care of your own health. So it is important that reward and recognition will be given to you, but you have to take care of yourself as well. So let's see what are the first energies. You are coming into this month with the energy of being in loss, in pain. So some of you are feeling that a job was not done well, though the overall energy of this month is of reward and recognition, but this reward and recognition is not coming in the first few days or the first weeks of this month. The month is starting with a situation wherein something has stopped for you, a closure has taken place, something was over for you. So you are coming into this month with lot of pain and sadness. Something didn't work out for you in business. It means losses have taken place, some work was not done well, so you are feeling sad about it. You are feeling sad about a closure of something, about something which did not take place, a media event or a job that was cancelled, a proposal that was brought to you was taken away. So angels are saying that this has happened because of lack of commitment. That is Page of Pentacles in reverse. Lack of commitment or thinking too much about a certain thing and not being able to fructify that, or you were not practical about the project, so it was not executed or it couldn't be executed. So there is a situation like this with which you are starting this month, but angels are saying that the magician, your communication skills, your your ability to be magical in some circumstances, to make things work, that energy is around you. And also the star energy is around you. So star and the magician is with you. You are going to have a connection with the divine. You are going to have a connection with the forces of the universe, with people, to achieve something which is inside your head. So the idea will work in the near future. Maybe you are coming into this month with a failure, but it will take a new course, it will become a new thing, a new work will happen. Have strength with star. So having magician strength and star is to have faith, to have optimism and believe in yourself, believe in your abilities. Things will work out for you. The universe around you, people around you will support you in whatever you are wanting to do. So many of you need to work out, replan, rework your proposal. So something which was the Page of Pentacles, which was reversed because of your laziness, or maybe some of you overlooked something in your proposal or in your contract, or something was not seen by you, something was a kind of misguided venture that will require rework, that will require replanning, that will require, maybe you need to learn something to make it work. So once you do that, once you start again, once you start doing the work again, you will be able to go towards a new partnership, new results, and an achievement, a success for sure. So you will be able to collaborate and work very hard and make something work. So rebuilding will take place. So rebuilding of career situation, rebuilding and rework of your problem that was happening in your career situation will be done by you. So the rework will make good progress and it will give you rich harvest. So you will have success in whatever field you are in, my dear Capricorns. So only thing that is required is putting your mind back onto the work and doing it again. So reworking is on the card. Have strength, don't lose hope. The star is here and the strength card is here. The magician will give you the ability to execute the whole thing. So what is coming to you in the month of July after you do this work? You are going to be in the 6 of Wands energy. This is victory. Victory is definite. Victory will be there for you in any aspect of your career. You will see that if you are looking for a job, you will get a new job. If you are doing badly and you had failed in something, maybe a study, the retest or the submission of your work will bring in good reviews. I am seeing that a rework will help you to get victory. So victory is definite on the card. Go by the conventional method. That is what angels are telling you. Hierophant is here. Hierophant means that high achievement can take place. Anything in any aspect of your life. It can be from a priest to a teacher to a judge. Wherever you want to, whatever aspect or whatever job you want to do, you can achieve that, but it has to be achieved by proper process. Proper rules and regulations have to be followed. Convention can't be overlooked, rules can't be broken. That is what angels are telling you. So the Hierophant card is telling you that restoration of morality in your work will take place. So when you work hard and when you give proper thought to the rules and regulations, and when you give proper thought to you don't take the fast route, don't take the fast route. That is what angels are saying. Do things traditionally, conventionally, with hard work, with talent. That is what angels are telling you, and you will be able to succeed. So there is no shortcut to your victory. There is no shortcut to your victory. And the Saturn is working in your charts right now. Saturn is important for you, my dear Capricorns, and the World card is taking place. So one mission will be accomplished. One situation with the Death card, one situation will close, but rebirth is not far behind. So one thing will be accomplished successfully. Another new beginning is going to come up for you. You will feel on top of the world. You will get into a new world, a new situation of success. That is what angels are saying. So something will come full circle, something will end for you, and a new situation will begin. Angels are asking you to properly plan, take a break, look at the problems from outside, and you will be able to go through this process and go towards your victory. I am seeing recognition coming to you with the Sun card. The Sun is ensuring that your results will be good. The sun is ensuring you will get some profit, you will make money, you will get that proposal, you will get that work which you are looking for by the end of July. And 10 of Pentacles is here. This means completion of something great will happen for you. Reward, recognition, buying, selling, getting that new promotion, getting that name and fame, a sense of accomplishment and sense of long term security will come to you. Some of you will indulge, some of you will find your liberation in your work life, some of you will feel happy, some of you will be indulging, some of you will be partying. That is what angels are saying. So by the end of this month or by the middle of this month, you will see success coming in for you, definitely. So angels are saying, in this process wherein you are working very hard, wherein you are thinking very hard, at this moment the advice is reverse Queen of Cups. This means having a look at yourself. You have to stop being the beast of burden. You have to stop being the person who only cares for others. You need to care for yourself. You need to care for your own happiness and emotional life that you are sacrificing for the work that you are doing. So you have to balance this scenario, and you have to put in your mind regarding your own happiness in the work that you are doing. So creative solutions will take place with the Knight of Cups. So the reverse Queen of Cups is clarified by the Knight of Cups. This means finally you will go creatively and emotionally towards your work, and you will have some solutions in hand which are full of empathy and full of self love as well. So that's it from my side, my dear Capricorn. Okay, no, let me read out the Lenormand card. I forget all the time. So the card that has come out for your success is number 22. It means the path card. The path is for you from the Lenormand. It is saying a decisive choice will be made and a start of a new business can take place. Don't waste time on a decision that must be taken as soon as possible. That is the advice from the card. The month is saying that you are trying to make a decisive professional choice. It is risky, but it's right. Confirmation of position can take place, a business trip can take place, grand sporting success for some of you. Regarding normal success, regarding professional success, it is saying that in the past, brave and determining professional choice had taken place. It's fundamental to respect tradition. That is what I said, respect tradition. Something went wrong because you broke the rules, I think. So what you need to do is, in the present position, risky but brilliant business deal guarantees you the position which you are waiting for. Surprise business trip will bring in news of appointment. Unexpected sporting victory for some of you. Choices made beforehand assures you success. No notoriety, public recognition, trust between young partners can take place. So notoriety is also there with fame. So be careful about that. So don't break any rules. Money is saying, regarding money, it is saying that financial peace will finally come to you. Savings will be managed by traditional methods. Don't risk into gambling. Don't risk into anything. So risk has to be avoided in this period. Advantageous proposals will come to you. Financing from a rich foreigner can come to you. Excellent auction can happen for you. Secure economic situation finally as a result. Grant yourself hard earned luxuries, but don't neglect those who are in problem. Always keep your karma right. Help people who are around you and who are going through hardships. So that's it from my side. If you have liked this reading, please like and subscribe. If you have something to say to me, write in the comment box. If you want me to see your career situation specifically for you, what you have to do is to contact me through the comment box and request for a personal private session. These are paid sessions, so please remember that. And these will be online. I give it to people from all over the world. I connect with them, keep their time difference in mind, and I give them according to their choice a session which helps them to see their future clearly, and take decisions. So that's it from my side. Please share it with this reading with others, other Capricorns. Also, some of you keep writing to me why I haven't uploaded some readings. Please always subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you know when I am uploading your reading. So that's important. And also, search for the playlists of Tarot Priestess 1313. You will be able to see the new readings, the latest readings. And my Facebook page is Tarot Priestess 1313 again. You can go and check the latest readings there as well. So that's it from my side. Bye bye.